That's her way of saying thank you.
Peep. Oh, hello there. Peep, look at all these beauties, Emma. We got 5 today.
Wow, Grandpa. They're huge. Best fishing day ever.
1, 2, 3, 4. Grandpa, 1 fish is gone. That's odd, Emma. Oh. Someone is down there. Oh. Caw, you built this? Peep. Peep, peep, peep. Is this for me? Peep. Thank you. Oh. Emma, is that a penguin? Please don't scare him. He's so little. Hey, that's my sandwich. He is so funny.
Let him keep it.
Are you waiting for someone? Peep. We'll help you. These footprints are so small.
Let's see where they go.
You found all of these? Peep, peep. They're beautiful.
Emma, where did he come from?
He's our little friend.
Well, hello there.
Look, a bottle. Peep, peep. There's something inside. It's a map.
And?
2 penguins. Maybe someone is looking for him. We have to help. Peep.
He keeps pointing to this island.
Maybe that's where his family is. We should go tomorrow. Peep.
We're ready!
Don't forget the water.
I packed extra snacks. Safety first. Peep, peep.
You want to help? Peep. He's trying his best.
Good job, little buddy.
Off we go.
We'll find your family. Peep. Stay close, everyone.
The sky is getting dark.
A storm is coming.
Hold on tight. We can do this.
Beep! The sea is getting rough.
We're still with you, Pip. Beep.
Everyone stay seated. The map! Peep! Peep! Careful! You saved it!
Great job, little buddy.
Peep!
Look! Something's there!
I see it too!
Peep, peep.
Did someone hear you? Listen, there it is again.
Peep, peep. We're almost there.
Stay together. Peep, peep. This isn't yours. Peep. Maybe we're close. There's a cave.
Let's take a look.
Peep, peep,
Beep, beep.
peep. Did you hear that? Someone answered. Who's there? Peep, peep, peep. Ah, she's beautiful. Peep, peep, peep. They found each other. This is wonderful. Peep, peep, peep. He kept it safe. Peep, peep, peep. For me?
That's her way of saying thank you.
Peep,
It's your choice.
peep. Peep, I'm gonna miss you. Peep, peep. You'll always be our little buddy. Be happy.
Take care, Pip.
Peep. Goodbye, Pip. Beep, beep, beep. I'll never forget you.
Peep.
Neither will we. What's this? Emma? Did you find something? There's a letter. What does it say? Thank you, my friends. That's from Pip. He remembered us. What a beautiful gift. You'll always stay with me. Pip? Peep. Hello again, little friend. Oh, hello there. Peep? Is this for me? Peep, peep. He drew us.
He'll never forget.
Neither will we. He's part of our family. Beep! Peep! Ah! Goodbye, Pip. See you someday. Some friendships travel farther than the waves. What would you name Tiny